Alright guys, so yesterday we hit one of our goals, that being 15, that being the 10 likes. Now, and so I stayed true to my word and I built this tiny little cargo thing here because 10 likes equals one small vehicle. However, and we did get a suggestion to build a tiger tank. However, we didn't get enough subscribers on that video to build it. We need 50, we're gonna do 15 subscribers on this video, and I'll build a tiger tank to add to this. And then we'll do the same. Let's do 15 likes this time equals another small vehicle, and the same 15 comments will equal a medium vehicle as well. Alright.